When I die, I go back in time and restart the world, and it's happened a lot. Why? Why don't you remember? Why do all of you keep leaving me behind like this? What did I ever do to you? What am I supposed to do? What did I do wrong? I don't understand. Why do you guys hate me so much? I call it return by death. I die, and I come back. Return by death, return by death, return by death!
Take it easy. Look, I understand how you feel, but there's no need to.
It's true! I've been returning by death! I'm dying and starting again over and over!